Databricks enables end users to create new insights, and that's the power of the lakehouse at the moment at Michelin.
Historically, we are working on two areas. So we are a company which is manufacturing tires, and our company is also well known for the Michelin stars, rating hotels and restaurants.
Michelin wants to become what we are calling a data-driven company. The first point is that you need data, and good news, we have plenty of it.
In the old way, it would take a lot of time and effort of gathering, putting the data together, and then only a very little time could actually be spent on analyzing it. What we managed to do by using Databricks is that we spend way less time computing the data and putting it together, and we can really invest time in providing good insights to our leaders. People are actually creating their specific data sources to do the data engineering. Since they have that specific knowledge, they are the best to actually create the data set which are rich, specific and accurate to observe the process. What we see is that with the data lakehouse, the data becoming more available, being better described, and the people who are delivering this really not professionals of data, not data scientists. Since the data is available, it's described, it's governed, it's available in a ready-to-use form, they can leverage it in order to create what they need in order to improve their operations.